really spread. Heads up.
We have a pitch back. Like we got a number 14 for the Blacksmiths. Great rush that time for number 14, Joseph Blacksmiths.
Heads up, 2 guys rushing. You're gonna have to get rid of it.
Pass complete this time to number 12 for the Blacksmiths, Will McHugh. Pass complete this time to number 12. He makes a couple of nice moves and get around the outside.
Yeah, play both ways.
We got a handoff. Look like we got a little double reverse here going. We're going to come back with number 7 for the Blacksmiths. Nice little reverse that time to Drew Mayhew. Good gain on the play. Handoff to number 12 for the Blacksmith that he gets in for the touchdown. Got a pitch back to number 14, Joseph Hagman. And he's twisting and turning his way, trying to find. Pitch back to number 14, Joseph Hagman. He makes a nice run on the. Handoff to number 50, and he gets around the corner. Pass complete this time to number 12, Will McHugh. Handoff to number 12, Will McHugh, and he rushes for a touchdown.
All right.
And the extra point is good, which brings the score. Blacksmiths 16. Got a pitch back to number 14, Joseph Hagman. He's making a nice little run here. He's got a corner and he picks up a big gain on the play. Gain of 22 yards on the play. 10, Blacksmiths. Handoff to number 50 for the Blacksmiths. We have a handoff on the play to the Blacksmith, number 12, and look like he's going to get in for the score. Nice run that time by Will McHugh. Got a snap and a pitch back to number 14 for the Blacksmiths, and he takes off running, picks up about 9 yards on the play.
Well done, well done!
Nice run that time by Joseph Hagman. Second and 5 for the Blacksmiths. Another pitch back to Joseph Hagman. He throws a deep pass and it's complete. Got a handoff there to number 12, Will McHugh. Handoff to number 12, Will McHugh.
Nice job, Will!
Across the line,
It's going to be a touchdown, Blacksmiths.
He scored all 4 touchdowns.
Yeah.
Bulldogs defense put up a nice effort that time, but pass to a wide open receiver. It's going to be touchdown. Blacksmiths are back on offense. Got a short dump pass to number 12, Will McHugh. Look like he's going to be headed for the end zone. And he gets into the end zone for a touchdown.
He just ran that guy over.
Blacksmiths.
And, you know,
That makes sense, you know, this is personality.
Fine piece of running that time by number 12, Will McCoon.
O-U-C-H-T, O-W-N-We.
Yeah, I recognize one of them.
And the extra point is good,
Yeah, I only
which brings
recognize
the score
the one.
to your visiting Blacksmith 48, Bulldogs 12.